Whoa! This page just tore. But did you know a tiny bit of glue can make it stick again like magic? How does even glue work? Hey kids! In one of our last videos, we learned how notebooks are made. Let's flip the pages. Whoa! It ripped! Oh no! What happens when a page from our notebook tears? How can we stick the page back together again? That's where glue comes to the rescue. But have you ever wondered how glue actually sticks things together? Glue is made of tiny sticky particles that spread over surfaces. These particles flow into tiny gaps in the paper. When glue dries, it becomes solid and holds the pieces tightly together. See? It holds tight. That's so cool! Now our notebook page is good as new! Glue helps us fix toys, make crafts, and repair lots of things. So next time something tears, remember, glue is the tiny hero that helps stick things back together.